Oh, wait. Who am I? Half the population. What's going on? It's your boy Isaiah. How y'all doing, y'all? It's a good day. It's a good day. Remember how I'd be like, if only I ever had a tripod. If not today, but one day. But guess what, my family? Today is the day. Let's get into this. Oh, one of these days, I'm gonna run out of mana, and I'm about to go to the store and get some mana potions because I can't keep doing this magic, you guys. It's low key hard. It's low key hard. Today is that day. Me and my handy dandy box opener about to do some work. Hold on, y'all. Wow, yo, I'm like, I blow my own mind. Like, I can't. All right, y'all. So, your boy is so happy. I'm so happy. All right, so we got literally. It has no brand. It's just phone tripod, made in China, new. So I'm going to open this bad boy up and shoot. Show y'all what you will get when you buy a phone tripod off of Amazon. Cardboard be gone. Oh yeah. Also, buy y'all zip ties in bulk because it's just, I was going to get like a pack of 20 for $5, but then I found this 40-pound bag of zip ties for like, I think $10. So side little tangent, but bulk. Alrighty. Oh, I forgot to get rid of the little plastic. Alrighty. So first off, it comes with this really cool Bluetooth dongle. And it says it's compatible with both iOS and Android systems. And all you have to do, do this correctly with one hand, download I'm not sure. Oh, well, look at that. For iPhones, we just have to use our standard camera app, but if you have an Android, you need to download their third-party software, or you download their app to use the Bluetooth. So that kind of sucks if you own an Android, but that's big ups if you own an Apple device. So yes, sir. Alrighty. Initial feel of the tripod, the thing feels real nice, real sturdy. It comes with grips all the way down its like little ribs and the little grips on his feet. It keep you nice and grounded. I'll say. Now one thing I can say badly about this is it does not come with a instruction manual, but it seems pretty self-explanatory on how you was to set it up. So I'm gonna try to do that really fast and show y'all. And I believe this is just so your device does not fall. It's like a little seatbelt for your device. I'm going to double check on that and I'll be right back with y'all. Alrighty, family. I got it fully assembled and it extends. Try to do this with one hand, but you just pull the right tab out and then it closes on your phone. This is the mount for a camera. You just put the screw in this hole and that's how you fasten that. And this is just so if you wanna, cause it grips onto the stuff. Let me see if I can show you real quick, give an example. Focus. Thank you. So for a quick example, I'm using my handy dandy vacuum cleaner. The legs, each leg has an individual little axle, or individual little. Each leg has its own little elbow. So they can all bend in multiple different directions, grip on literally anything and everything. It's cute though. But this is nice. I mean, for a starter little phone mount, you really can't beat it, or it's not that much to complain about. I'm a firm believer of you get what you pay for. So if you want something premium, then go pay that premium price. But if you just want something to start off with, then this phone mount is the one to go with, in my opinion. It looks funny now. Look like it's breakdancing. My dude getting it. But I think that's it for this quick little unboxing. I can have like a more detailed reviewing of this in like I'd say like a month or two. Like give me like a good month to use it, to really break it in, move each one of its little legs around, make sure each ball socket is functioning correctly, see if the little rubberized grip pads and rubberized feet stay intact. I mean, it can be nice and shiny out the box, but a month down the line it can be literal garbage. But I have a link down below where to get this one. No, it's not an affiliate link, it's just a link, so if you wanted to get it, you can easily just get it. If I ever have affiliate links, I will, best believe me, I will tell y'all. And I only will ever have affiliate links of products I truly trust and care about. So, without further ado, I think that might be it for this little unboxing. Oh yeah, also, if anybody wants to use this, feel free, because I'm not for your buyers, account security, Amazon only allow customers to use. So yeah. If you enjoyed that video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to your boy's channel for daily. Well, I keep saying daily. One day it's gonna be daily, but just not today. For weekly content, I'm going to be here with tech, food, gaming, you know it, anything and everything. I will be doing it because I love to do everything. Beats to come too. So, oh, she's trying to run away. Bye, little foopy. See y'all in the next one.